In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a car detailing business. If you've been thinking about turning your interest in clean, well-maintained cars into a real source of income, this is a great business to consider. It can start small, grow over time, and be adjusted to fit your budget and goals. The first thing you need to do is choose your business setup. You can run a mobile detailing service where you go directly to your clients, which usually has the lowest startup cost. You can also open a fixed location shop, which costs more in the beginning but may offer more long-term stability. Another option is a hybrid model where you start mobile and later add a shop. For most beginners, mobile detailing is the easiest and most practical starting point. Next, register your business so everything is legal and ready for growth. This includes registering your business name if you're operating as a sole proprietor, securing your local clearance, getting the required mayor's permit, and opening a business bank account. Taking care of these basics early helps you look more professional and makes it easier to manage your income properly. After that, get your basic equipment. You do not need to buy everything at once, but you should have the essentials. That includes a pressure washer, a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, microfiber towels, buckets with grit guards, a foam cannon, car shampoo and wax, plus tire cleaner and interior cleaner. Start with a basic but reliable kit, then upgrade your tools as your income increases. You'll also need to learn proper detailing skills. You may not need a license, but you do need to know what you're doing. Focus on exterior washing and decontamination, interior deep cleaning, waxing and polishing, engine bay cleaning, and the basics of paint correction if you want to add an advanced service later. A smart way to begin is by watching tutorials and practicing on the cars of family and friends. Once your skills are improving, set your pricing. A basic wash might range from around 200 to 500 pesos, a full interior detail from 500 to 1,500 pesos, and a full detailing package from 1,000 to 3,500 pesos or more. Adjust your rates based on your area and the level of service you provide. Now build your brand. Choose a business name, create social media pages, post clear before and after photos, and keep your logo and colors consistent. Social media can become your strongest marketing tool. To get your first clients, offer discounts to your first customers, ask friends and family for referrals, post in community groups, and do simple local promotions. Then, make sure you deliver high quality service by being on time, staying clean and professional, documenting your results, and asking for reviews. As your business becomes stable, you can scale by hiring helpers, adding ceramic coating or paint correction, offering weekly or monthly cleaning plans, and eventually moving into a shop if demand keeps growing.